Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. So what we have here is a BlackBerry phone. This is a BlackBerry 7290, which I got for $12. This phone was sold from 2003 to 2004, so it's a really old phone. I got this for $12 untested, without a battery, and I bought a battery. So let's unbox it and see if it works. Really well packaged. Having a hard time getting into it. There we go. Wow, that was a lot of packaging, which is definitely not a bad thing. So here it is. See, from over time that sticker has shifted, so we'll have to move that back later. But I'll probably use like a little bit of heat and isopropyl alcohol on a spudger so I can lift it up without ruining the adhesive too much and without ruining the sticker. So if the listing was correct, there shouldn't be any battery. Yep, no battery. So we will have to get our battery. There's the battery. Okay, so let's see if this works. This phone is a lot bigger than I thought it was. Or maybe not a lot bigger, a little bigger. But I guess that this is probably what you should expect from a phone from 2003. But from the other, judging by the newer BlackBerry Curve I had at one point, this is a lot bigger. How do I turn it on? Okay, yeah, again, I'm an idiot. I think, like, on the BlackBerry Curve I had, there was a power button, like, on the keypad, so I was looking there, but I think this is the power button, so let's see if that does anything. Okay, yeah, let me get the charger, see if that works. A lot of older cell phones had proprietary connectors, but thankfully the BlackBerry phones just took mini USB, which was, you know, just the common universal connector at the time, which is great. So I can just take a random cord I have, plug it into my power bank, and let's see. Oh, there we go. I think it's booting. Okay, so it looks like it has booted up. BlackBerry wireless handheld, copyright 1997 to 2006. I mean, this phone was sold in 2003, 2004, so I assume, like, you know, software update or something. I guess that, you know, this is a weird lock screen. I assume that this is, like, you know, factory reset. Okay, now it's asking for a password. I know a lot of these, so I guess it wasn't reset. I know a lot of these older phones, if you enter the password in wrong, it'll reset it eventually, so that's what I'm hoping for here. Oh, here we go. I think it's erasing it now. This took quite a long time to restore, like maybe 20 minutes or something. Thankfully, it was fully reset after that, although it does still have some sort of IT policy on it, which I might try to remove in the future, but it does still work. I can still use it, so whatever. Okay, so we are in, so I assume that this scroll wheel, okay, yeah, that's how you navigate. And then if I want to click on it, I think I click in. There we go. And then, yeah, if I click this in again, I get the menu and I can close. This button right here adjusts the backlight. You can just have it off entirely. And then there's 2 brightness settings. We have a calculator. This thing even has a built-in password manager. That's interesting. Maybe someone used it on T-Mobile or something? Because it does say it's a singular phone, so I don't know if it was unlocked or something, but that is interesting. Be safe. I just realized that, like, instead of pressing this in and then getting to the menu... Oh, oops, I just called a number again. Anyways, instead of entering that menu, you can actually just press the power button to quickly exit an app. So then there was this brick game, and it's really frustrating. Like, I'm so bad at games, so maybe it's just me, but like compared to like what we had on the iPod and stuff, like this is hard. Like this is genuinely like really hard to play. I don't know why I'm mentioning that. I just got very frustrated very quick at this game. I think the reason this is difficult might be because of the scroll wheel just being so tiny compared to like an iPod where you have the whole like front to scroll with. So maybe it's just hard to scroll, but regardless, it was very difficult. Anyways, that's just about all. Thanks for watching, and